Hello, this is Todd Shults. I teach 5 through 12 band in the Rose Hill, Kansas school district. We are a 4A classification, which is a mid-sized school district in a pocket community pretty close to a large city. Our district has a superintendent and assistant superintendent, two principals at the high school and middle school, one at the primary school, one at the intermediate school. We have a very active Board of Education. Our parent groups are heavily involved in the school. Not only are the parent groups involved, the school community groups involved, such as churches, different community organizations, are also involved in some of the decision-making process that goes on in our district. Day to day, I teach about 200 plus students in grades 5 through 12, so I get to see a very good representation of our school community in terms of age and ability level. I teach in 3 different buildings, and I have 5 different bosses. All those bosses at the building level are well adept at the school law and some of the things that are represented there. They keep us updated on changes in the broad legal issues, anything from our HIPAA regulations to the sports and concussion regulations that are very popular right now, and the bullying legal issues that have had case studies and legal studies done to where we are complying with those. We have our displayed legal requirements in the break rooms, all of the rights of the employees, whether it be through health insurance, through legal action, through anything that is in our employee handbook. That's all displayed not only in our break rooms but also on our school website. We do have multiple discussions per year at staff meetings in regards to the privacy of our students, as well as how we can comply with laws that are going on. Some of that might include IEPs for students and some of the discipline details or IEP details that we have to keep silent. Our Board of Education in our district has policies built into our handbooks in each building. On the district website, those are listed, as well as the bullying prevention and Kansas school safety hotlines. We also have the emergency safety intervention policy listed on our website, which is very, very detailed in that. My personal critique on the state and federal laws, of my knowledge right now, is pretty limited. I would say in regards to specific case study, I have a very general and broad understanding of things that I've seen one time or another in a master's program or other schooling, but I think I've forgotten most of it, and I think it's time to revisit that to become more aware. I do know the basics from word of mouth and some reading. My plan, though, to enhance my knowledge of these school and environment laws for the school are to subscribe to federal and state legislative forums, subscribe to newsletters, publications related to school law in Kansas, become more involved in my trade organization, the Kansas Association of American Educators, and be more active in discussions with other administrators and school personnel. I think all these things coupled together will help me be a better administrator. Thank you.